So the math is actually quite amazing. Think of a tic-tac-toe board. 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 layering pieces. That's 9 outfit combinations right there. A lot of people pack jeans because they think jeans go with everything. I don't pack jeans. They're heavy. They take up too much space. They don't roll well. They don't feel good on a 10-hour flight. They take forever to dry if you have to wash them. Travel pants are better. They're stretchy. They dry quick, they wash up beautifully, and they're comfortable. Travel pants also look polished. You can go from the flight right to dinner and feel totally comfortable. That's why my third column is layering pieces, not accessories. Because what do you actually need when you travel? Comfort, warmth, sun protection. Let's get into it. Welcome to my travel closet. This is everything I pack. Well, I pick 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 layering pieces from this assortment. And remember, you always have your airplane outfit. So that's another outfit. Let's go over the layering pieces first. I use sun hoodies, sun jackets. You can also see that I have it in black, and this is over a tank top. I will also use a denim jacket and a hoodie. Let's go over the bottoms. I always travel in travel pants. Here is a pair of my travel pants. I have them in black, brown, and navy. They're very lightweight. They wash up beautifully. They don't wrinkle. They have multiple pockets. They're wonderful. That's why they're called travel pants. They give you more flexibility with your wardrobe, so you only need to take 1 or 2 pairs. So I will wear a pair, and then I will wear a tank top and a sun hoodie, or a t-shirt and a denim jacket, or a t-shirt and a hoodie. It just depends on the weather. It depends on the plans when I get there. Another bottom I pack is a skirt. You've seen these. They're shorts underneath and then a skirt. I like this one because it has pockets in the back and pockets on the side. Again, you pair this with a t-shirt. You pair this with a blouse for dinner. You pair this with a tank top and a sun hoodie. It's a great little outfit. These are my board shorts. These dry super fast if I want to do any water activities, or we are touring waterfalls or anywhere near water, or it's just hot and you want something to wick the sweat quickly and dry quickly. These board shorts are fantastic for that. Always included in my tops is one of these Columbia shirts. They dry really fast. The sleeves roll up, so you can have a half sleeve, a 3/4 length sleeve. They have little pockets. They have places to put your sunglasses. They go with everything. They look cute as a shacket with your skirt. They look very polished with your pants. So I always bring one of these Columbia shirts. I have them in white and tan. Here's the tan version. This is my travel vest. I will do a video just on this travel vest. It's fantastic. But this is the same shirt as the white one. It's just in tan. If you notice, I use solids and I use very muted colors, traditional colors, navy, white, black, and tan, because they go well with each other and it's easy to mix and match. I will also throw in a scarf. A scarf does multiple things. A scarf keeps you warm. A scarf can be a foot sling on the airplane. I've told you that one before. A scarf, you can spray your perfume on it, and if there's some odors that are unpleasant around you on the plane or wherever you might be, you can just kind of sniff it and just reset. And usually, trust me, it's helpful. But I also have patterned scarves, so you don't always have to have solid. You can take a scarf that has a pattern, and I'll show you that soon. These are merino wool t-shirt. I have a short sleeve t-shirt and a long sleeve t-shirt. Part of my packing system is the sleeve length. Sometimes, especially in the summer, I will go with a tank top, a short sleeve, and a 3/4 length blouse. Now remember, you still have your airplane outfit. You still have your travel day outfit. So you've already got a 4th outfit. That means 3 other pieces of clothing that you can swap with these 9 pieces. So that's why this method works great for no matter how long you're traveling for. So short sleeve, long sleeve, and then a 3/4 length sleeve blouse that you can use for like when you're going out to dinner. Here's an example if I want to use my denim jacket on the plane. So I'll just wear this, and then maybe I want to do a scarf. I usually travel with a scarf. It's just part of my travel system. You can see this is another merino piece, and it is in purple. Purple is quite a good neutral actually. So I travel a lot with a purple. And then you can use a scarf here too. It looks fine with your pants. It'll look fine with your skirt. Just make sure you have pieces that will mix and match well together. And I am going to show you what a lot of these pieces look like on. If you are traveling internationally and it's in the late fall to early spring, so it's a little cool, I love to travel in this outfit. Again, a patterned scarf. This is kind of a scuba material, but it's joggers and a hoodie with kangaroo pockets. I love wearing kangaroo pockets on the plane. Place to put my hands, and it's just so cozy. But you can see how this top, because it's a neutral, would pair well with the pants also. And then the scarf ties it all together. It's quite a sharp outfit. Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to pack this. Okay, first up we have my Columbia shirt, my travel pants, and the travel scarf. Next, I wanted to show you the 3/4 length sleeve. It's a very versatile piece. Up next, I've tied the same shirt over my wool shirt and tied it at the waist. Then we have the linen shorts with the jean jacket and the scarf, the jean jacket, the wool shirt, and the travel pants. This is our skirt with the t-shirt, denim jacket, and the scarf. Then we have the sun hoodie t-shirt with the skirt, and finally my tunic with the travel pants. This would be a nice dinner outfit. I showed you several options today, and I wanted to show you what I landed on. So I'm taking 3 tops with me, my merino wool, black and purple, and then this fuchsia tunic that I will wear with pants. These are my layering pieces, my sun hoodie, my Columbia white shirt that I'll use as a shacket, my denim jacket, and as you can see, the scarf goes with everything really nicely. Up next, I'm going to pack it all for you. So this is what it looks like when I have folded everything and it's just ready to be packed in the packing cube. So what I'll put down on the bottom first are the shirts, and then I will put the layering pieces on top of that, and then finally I will put the pants on top of that. And when it closes, you can see that everything fits really nice. It's zipped up quite easily. I haven't changed clothes that many times since I was much younger. I hope you enjoyed that try on. I wanted to give you an idea of what my airplane outfit is for this trip. I have a pair of linen shorts. They're very comfortable. They are elastic waist, just a simple t-shirt. This is a t-shirt I'll wear over and over. It's a v-neck. It's a cotton blend, so it's really comfortable. And then my layering piece I'm wearing is my jean jacket. Because a jean jacket is bulky and a challenge to pack, it takes up a lot of room, I chose to wear this as my airplane outfit, my travel outfit. So my sun hoodie is now inside of my packing cube. I'm going to take my scarf off because it's a little warm, but I wanted to give you the whole outfit experience. And that's the great thing about a scarf, is you can take it off easily in the plane, put it in the seat back pocket, put it in your shirt pocket. It's really comfortable. Let me take this jean jacket off. I did my packing cube and I wanted to show you everything got in there super easily. Plenty of room. Everything is in here. This is my tripped packing cube. It's one of my favorite packing cubes. I absolutely love it. It has 2 zippers on it. Actually 3. The main zipper. And then this one allows you to compress it. So it looks like that. More air out to make it smaller. And then it has a zipper on this end. And that is for you to put your dirty clothes in. Isn't that genius? I love it. All right, here's everything we packed. Layering piece number 2. Remember, we have my jean jacket, so that was layering piece number 1. So layering piece number 2. Layering piece number 3. This was the sun hoodie. And then we have this one you didn't see. This was a 3/4 length sleeve tunic. This goes with my shorts, my skirt, and my pants. That's 1 top. The purple t-shirt, 2 tops. The black t-shirt, 3 tops. And then bottoms. I have the black skirt, the navy quick drying shorts, and my blue travel pants. Because I'm traveling in my linen shorts and t-shirt and jean jacket, so I packed my travel pants. Travel pants are so great because they're lightweight, they dry quickly if I did need to wash them. Now, I could probably go a week with this setup and probably not even have to do laundry. And here's why. When you pack the right kind of gear, it just makes things so much easier. The merino wool does not hold odors. And if they do get smelly, you can wash them so quickly and they dry overnight. Sometimes in hours. So, you know when you play golf or tennis and you have to have the right equipment? The same is true for traveling. If you're going to travel well, you need to have the right equipment. And merino wool is a great fabric to travel with. There's a lot of synthetics that are great to travel with. The sun hoodie I like to wear, it's a synthetic fabric and it dries super fast. So you pack things that go together so you have more combinations to play with. Here's the thing nobody talks about. At this stage of our life, we've got a lot of stuff going on. We're thinking about comfort. We're thinking about weight, not just the weight of the bag, but the weight of what's on our bodies all day. Jeans are heavy on your body. Travel pants aren't. And your shoulders? You don't need a 30-pound carry-on because you packed 3 pairs of jeans. This method, you have to make it work for your travel. I skip jeans because they don't serve me well. I use layering pieces instead of accessories because layers solve real problems. Sun, wind, cold plains, temperature swings. A sun hoodie is practical. And when you're traveling, practical wins. Every piece in this grid came from Amazon, Columbia, or stuff I already had at home. You don't need designer travel clothes. You need pieces that work together. That's the whole point. So that's my 3-3-3 packing method. 2 t-shirts, a 3/4 length sleeve blouse, travel pants, shorts, a skirt, a sun hoodie, a denim jacket, a shacket, a Columbia transition sleeve shirt, 9 items, over 9 outfits, 0 jeans, 1 carry-on, and done. Is there something here I missed? What's your go-to bottom instead of jeans? Do you use accessories for your third column, or are you team layers like me? Drop a comment below. I want to hear what your 3-3-3 Sudoku grid looks like. Oh, I do need to show you one more thing. This came up in one of the last few videos I did. Someone said, "Where's your underwear?" Okay, guys, disposable underwear. Disposable underwear is not paper underwear. It's actually cotton. And you can wear it, wash it, dry it, wear it, wash it, dry it a few times. So I always take a few pair of these because I don't like traveling around with dirty underwear in my bag. It's just a thing. So embrace disposable underwear. Check it out. So I have this packing cube here, and this is where I'll put my underwear, my bra, and socks. I only travel with 2 pairs of socks. I'll wear a pair if I'm not wearing my slides. I will wear a pair and bring a pair, but I have a total of 2 pair of merino wool socks because, again, they don't hold odor and they dry super fast. So that's not part of the 3-3-3, but I just thought I'd mention it because a few of you had asked about it in the last video. Thank you so much for sticking with us today. If you found value in this video, we ask that you like and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.